Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac here, and today we're just going to check out the contents of these boxes that MSI sent us yesterday. Basically, I'm just going to show you what's in it so that you'll have an idea what we're going to check in the channel next. So let's begin. Okay, so let's start with this big box over here, and we all know what's inside this one. It's basically a case. We're not actually going to review this because MSI asked me to more like to review a certain product for them, but we're still going to use this because we're going to build an all MSI build. The struggle is real. Here we go. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay. So this case is called the MPG Velox 300R Airflow PZ. That's one long name. Yeah, it's quite nice. And we already have the contents inside. Well, I was actually expecting for me to build this stuff, but yeah, since it's here, we have to check what's inside. So we have the Core i7-14700K CPU with the MSI Mag Core Liquid A15 360mm, and for the motherboard we have the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi. For the memory, we have the KT Fury Beast 2x16GB DDR5 with 5200 MHz with the blazing fast MSI Spatium M480 PCIe 4 NVMe with 1TB capacity. Okay, so let's just move this out of the way. So here's another box. I'm not sure what's inside this, so we're going to check it. I'm guessing that this is just going to be the boxes for the rest of the things inside that PC. Oh yeah. So we have the power supply. It's called the MPG A750GF 750 watts power supply. Let's just put this there. And next are some phones and some documents that I cannot show you. And we have, next is another, oh, it's a brand new one. So yeah, it's a Mag A750GLS PCIe 5. Yep, it's another PSU, which I'm actually going to teach you how to choose the right power supply for your PC. Next, of course, we are also featuring this power supply from MSI. Now, this is called the Mag 850GLS PCIe 5 power supply from MSI. Yep, we have that one there. Woo! Guys, this is awesome. Look at that, bro. So we have the MSI Gaming 5060 RTX. Yep, we're going to do an unboxing of this one. This video is going to be about that graphics card because I think these are the new releases from MSI. Not only that, bro, but we also have one last thing over here. It's the Gaming Trio 5060 Ti from MSI. Okay, so here are the contents of the box that we have received from MSI. We're going to have a thorough review of both of these new GPUs from MSI. We're going to do some game tests, benchmarks, render tests, and everything that you need to know. We're also going to teach you how to choose the correct PSU using this new PSU release from MSI. I guess that's about it, guys. So we'll see you all in the next one.